A new geometry capability in 2013 is the support for conics in sketches. For those who are not familiar with conics, they really encompass several curve types such as ellipses, parabolas, circles, and hyperbolas. The benefit of a conic is the ease in controlling the shape. Like all sketch entities, as you create the conic, you can infer relations such as end tangency, and then dynamically drag the curve to fit the profile you're looking for. The curvature gives a clear picture of just how easy it is to manipulate the conics to smooth out the transitions. We can also directly control the type of conic through the row value in the same way we define the radius of a circle. This gives you full access to all conic shapes, yet still with the flexibility to adjust the curve to the particular curvature and shape you are looking for. Conics make blending surfaces and creating clean looking geometry a whole lot easier in SolidWorks 2013.